Bagal, sarap pa ba di ba bagal? Baka di na babae. Alingo ka. Ang mga alingo.
Beginning of the first quarter of the bogey. Jump ball between Rendain and Samson. Referees ready, management ready. Nakuha ni Gomez. Pass to Lopez at rest. No good. Leaño good for 2 points. Leaño, inbound by Vega. Pass to Carlero, pass to Hantik. Hantik, aras by Leaño. Shot clock 18. Pass to Carlero sa tres. No good. Nakuha ni Reynancia. Pass to Leaño. Leaño makes jump. Pass to Lopez. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Saludes. Saludes. Pass to Vega. Vega jump. No good. Rebound by Rendain sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Reynancia. Reynancia. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Single. Last 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Shot clock 20. Leaño. Drive spade jump. No good. Rebound by Carlero. Still by pass Samson. There is a foul. Rendain. Rendain. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 bonus shot for 1-2. Samson. First row good. 1 point. Official warning score 5-0. Basketballers. Samson first last row jumpers ready. Complete shot 1-2. Samson. Inbound by Rendain. Pass to Saludes. Saludes para sa may Reynancia. Inbound by Reynancia. Pass to Leaño. Leaño, pass to Reynancia. Back to Lopez at rest. No good. Rebound by Leaño. No good. Single shot clock 14. Samson, pass to Reynancia. Reynancia jump. No good. Rebound by Rendain. Still by Reynancia. Reynancia pass to Samson. Sa ilalim, no good. Nakuha ni Samson. Still by Vega. Pass to Saludes. Saludes lays off. Good for 2 points. Saludes. Nasa 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to Reynancia. Back to Gomez. Back to Reynancia. Reynancia. Rimes. Lays up. No good. Back to Vega. Shot clock 19. Pass to Rendain. Rendain. Back to Vega. Vega pass to Ovida. No good. Nakuha to Ovida. Shot clock 13. Vega jump. Good for 3 points. Vega. Leaño. Pass to Lopez. Last 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Lopez pass to Reynancia. Reynancia fakes jump. Good for 2 points. Reynancia. Vega. Pass to Ovida. Good for 2 points. Ovida. Leaño. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Shot clock 18. Gomez naganda pasahan. Pass to Reyna siya sa malayo. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez pass sa Lamero. Jump. Good for 2 points sa Lamero. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds in the in. Pass to Vega. Pass to Parlero. Pass to Ovida. Good for 2 points. Ovida. Dalawa lang po ang malamangan ng basketballers. Reyna siya. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Shot clock 16. Reyna siya sa 3. Good for 3 points. Reyna siya. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Still by Reyna siya. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Leaño. Good for 2 points. Leaño. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Back to Saludes. Saludes harap by Reyna siya. Last 1 minute. Saludes. Pass to Rene, back to Saludes. Saludes nakalusot, laser. No good. Last 53 seconds. Lopez. Pass to Gomez. Back to Gomez. Shot clock 20. Pass to Reyna siya. Last 45 seconds. Lopez at 3. No good. Rebound by Orenda in. Last 40 seconds. Vega haras by Leaño. Pass to Ovida naghanap ang pasahan. Still by Gomez. Last 30 seconds. Haras by Saludes. Gomez drives laser. Good for 2 points. Gomez. Last 20 seconds. Saludes haras by Reyna siya. There's a foul. Leaño personal foul, first team foul. Last 14 seconds. Saludes, pass to Vega. Arasa by Leaño. There's a foul. Leaño, second personal foul, second team foul. Last 10 seconds. Saludes. Pass to Rene, back to Parlero sa 3. Good for 3 points. Last 5 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds.
Ikaw mag-video.
Bubuhog ka dyan.
Pass to Ovida. Still by Lopez. Beginning of the second quarter of the program.
Ikuntulit pa lang po.
Now by Vega. Back to Vega. Pass to Saludes. Pass to Rabili. Basaya. Pass to Masinas. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Masinas setting a play. Pass to Lopez at 3. Good for 3 points. Lopez. Saludes. No good. Rebound by Reyna siya. Still by Vega. Offensive foul. Vega first personal foul. Tablet. Lero out. Sarada in. Rebound by Lopez. Pass to Masinas. Pass to Reyna siya. Sa 3. No good. Rebound by Sarate. Pass to Vega. Pass to Saludes. Laser. No good. Rebound by Basaya. Pass to Masinas. Masinas. Aras by Stila by by Masinas. Pass to Lopez, and Lopez lays up. Good for 2 points. Lopez last 3 minutes and 53 seconds. Official line score 22-11. Vega no good. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez pass to Ray Nacha. Good for 2 points. Ray Nacha. Still by Masinas. Pass to Ray Nacha. Ray Nacha drives. There is a foul. Sarate. First personal foul. First big foul. Time out, Rick. By 1826 Mapa. Resumption of the second quarter of the game. Reynasha for his first row, no good. Reynasha for his last row jumpers ready. Good for 1 point. Vega pass to Sarate, pass to Marlero, pass to Gonzalo. Shot 15, pass to Vega, pass to Marlero, good. Obida, spin the pace, stop there, good. Good last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Reynasha, haras by Sarate, pass to Leaño, shot clock 16. Leaño, setting a play, guard ng screen, steal by Gonzalo, pass to Vega, back to good for 2 points. Gonzalo, return timeout. Lopez, haras by Gonzalo. Lopez, jump, no good. Rebound by Basea, jump, no good. Timeout, Rick. Call by basketball. Last 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Shot clock 14. Basea, pass to Masinas, pass to Leaño, sa 3. No good, rebound by Vega. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Vega, haras by Lopez. Vega drives, lays up, no good. Rebound by Lopez. Pass to Reynasha lays up, good for 2 points. Reynasha. Vega, pass to Sarate. Last 2 minutes.
Second.
Lopez. Pass to Leaño. Pass to Reynasha sa malayo. No good. Rebound by Leaño. Good for 2 points. Leaño. Pass to Vega. Still by Basea, pass to Lopez. Pass to Reynasha, good for 2 points. Reynasha. Official one score 31-15. Basketballers. Sarate haras by Leaño. Pass to Marlero, pass to Gonzalo Sarate, good rebound by Basea. Basea of traveling violation. Sabre. Reynasha out, Gomez in. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Last 24 second shot clock. Pass to Obida sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Obida. Masinas last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Masinas pass to Lopez. Shot clock 14. Lopez haras by Gonzalo. Lopez pass to Masinas. Jump. No good for 2 points in last 50 seconds. Turnover last 47 seconds. Sabret. Lopez out sa 47 seconds. Official one score 33-17 basketballers. Pasea pass to Leandro. No good. Last 40 seconds. There's a foul. Jersey number 1, Salamero. First personal foul, first foul. Pass to Gonzalo, back to Vega. Pass to Gonzalo sa tres. No good. Last 30 seconds. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Leandro. Pass to Martinez. Jump. Good for 2 points. Last 20 seconds. Vega. Pass to Gonzalo. There's a foul. Blocking foul. Salamero. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Gonzalo. Pass to Vega. No good. Last 10 seconds. Patlero sa ilalim. No good. Pass na 20. Gomez last 5 seconds. Last. Pass na lang. End of the second quarter of the ball game. Official one score 35-17. Beginning of the third quarter of the ball game.
Nabuta. Rip, nabuta ba ka?
Vega drives, pass to Vega, pass to Opina sa gitna, fakes, drives, no good. Orendain, good for 2 points. Orendain, pass to Reynancia. Para sa Vega. Pass to Leandro, pass to Reynancia, shot clock, Reynancia, good for 3 points. Reynancia, Vega. Same ball. 39-19 basketball. Saludes. Pass to Gonzalo. Back to Saludes. Shot clock 16. No good. Rebound by Salamero. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Salamero. Pass to Leandro. Shot clock 17. Leandro drives, lays up, good for 2 points. Just 3 minutes and 53 seconds. Pass to Vega. Pass to Saludes sa tres. Good for 3 points. Saludes. Pass to Leandro. There's a foul. Saludes. First personal foul, second team. 1-2-6 Papa. Official one score. Reception of the third quarter of the ball. Leandro for his 3-point shot. The last 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Good for 1 point for Leandro. Leandro was the last goal. Good for 1 point. Ovila. Pass to Vega. Vega. Pass to Gonzalo. No good. Nakuha ni Salamero. Pass to Leandro. Leandro is up. No good. Vega is good for 2 points. Reserve sound by violation. Good for 3 points. Saludes. Pass to Salamero is up. No good. By Ovila. Pass to Saludes. Just 3 minutes. Saludes sa 3. No good na. By Salamero. Pass to Reynasia. Pass to Gomez. Gomez step back shot. Good for 3 points. Gomez. Vega. Saludes sa 3. Good for 3 points. Reynasia. Harap sa Gonzalo. Pass to Leandro. Leandro drives. No good. Leandro. Leandro out. Masinas in. Sabrel. Salamero out. Lopez in. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 11. Pass to Sinas. Shot clock 8. Gomez. Step back 3. Good for 3 points. Gomez. Orientain. Pass to Saludes. Saludes sa 3. No good. Orientain sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Orientain. Last 2 minutes. Pass to Masinas. Still by Orientain. Pass to Vega. Vega. Pass to Pinasa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Ovila. Basaya. Pass to Reynasia. Pass to Lopez. Plus 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shot clock 16. Lopez sabay sa Saludes. Lopez drives. Kinaliwa. No good. Good for 2 points. Plus 1 minute and 25 seconds. Vega. Vega nagmamadali. Pass to Salo sa ilalim. No good. Vega. Good for 2 points. Vega. Plus 1 minute and 13 seconds. Reynasia. Haras by Gonzalo. Pass to Masinas. Plus 1 minute and 5 seconds. Shot clock 14. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. Haras by shot clock 9. Masinas sa 3. Last 50 seconds. Pass to sa ilalim Ovila. Good for 2 points. Ovila. Last 40 seconds. Masinas. Pass to Basaya. Still by Saludes. Saludes sa 3. Good for 3 points. Saludes. Last 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Reynasia sa 3. No good. 15 seconds. Saludes. Pass to Orientain. Orientain. Jump. No good. Last 5 seconds. Last 2 seconds. And on the third quarter of the game. Beginning of the fourth and the final quarter of the game. Vega, pass to Orientain sa ilalim, speed move, good for 2 points. Ovila. Lopez drives, pass to Leandro sa gitna, fix, but there's a foul. Moving for 1 point, Leandro. Leandro first last row jumper red. Ito good recover Reina. Pass to Obida. Obida pass to third number. Rebound by Lopez. Pass to Reynasha. Back to Lopez. Shot clock 17. Lopez pass to Gomez. Back to Lopez. Shot clock 19. Pass to Masaya. Good. Retain. Still by Gomez. Pass to Leandro. Ayun, Lopez pass to Reynasha. Shot clock 16. Pass to Leandro. Big drives. Jump. No good.
Baba na!
Saludes, pass to Vega, pass to Saludes. Pass to Vega, pass to Retain. Pass to Obida. Shot clock 16. Obida drives, lays up. Good for 2 points. Obida. The serves up by violation. Sabret.
Red! Nagtama!
Gomez out. Sayang, meron na.
Red, nagtama sa likod! Nagtama sa likod!
Vega drives. Good recover Retain. Good for 2 points. Timeout, go by Basketballeros and Bishop 8 Basketballeros. Last 3 minutes and 33 seconds. 23. Last 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Basketballeros, warning for technical.
Nakabidyo, nakabidyo! Nakabidyo. Video man!
Lopez, pass to Masaya. Vega, pass to Gonzalez. Still by Leandro. Leandro drives. No good. Leandro good. Leandro has 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Vega, pass to Retain. No good. Saludes. There's a foul. Reynasha. Reynasha, first personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock 16. Nakuha Basaya. Pass to Reynasha. Pass to Leandro. Nasa 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Back to Basaya. Pass to Leandro. Leandro down. Nasa 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Pass to Saludes. Saludes. Dribble. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 12. Pass to Saludes, shot clock 10. No good, Redain, no good. Obida, no good. Stepping on the line. Plus 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Plus 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Obida, there's a foul. Basea, first personal foul, second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Obida for his 2 bonus shot. First row, good for 1 point for Obida for his last row, jumpers ready. Sabran, Basea out, Gomez in. Rebound by Reynansha. Pass to Lopez. Nasa 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Last 13. Pass to Liana sa gitna. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Jesse number 2.
Bantay na, Lawrence!
Leanyo. Third personal foul. Third foul. Ano yung salo? Last 1 minute and 48 seconds. Last 1 minute and 43 seconds. Shot clock 16. Lopez. Shot clock 10. Pass to Vega. Last 1 minute and 21 seconds. Vega good for 2 points. Vega. Reynansha, last 1 minute and 16 seconds. Reynansha, alas by Saludes. Pass to Gomez, shot clock 15. Pass to Reynansha, pass to Lopez. Back to Reynansha, Reynansha sa tres. No good.
Namangalabit na.
Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Vega, pass to Redain.
Seconds na lang.
Last 53 seconds.
Puro doon ang bola.
Last 52 seconds. Vega. Pass to Saludes. Saludes jump. And no good. There's a foul. Salamero, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Last 46 seconds. Vega for some first row, no good. Last 46 seconds. Vega. No good. Vega. No good for 2 points. Vega last 43 seconds. Saludes, second personal foul, second team foul. 40 seconds. 40. 40 segundos. Pass to Leanio. Foul. Ordain. Third personal foul. Team foul. Reynasha. Pass to Salamero. Foul. Ordain. Warning for foul out. Warning for penalty. 37 seconds.
Dores, duro pa.
Pass to Lopez. Pass to Leanio. That's 35 seconds. Shot clock 9. Shot clock 6. Good for 2 points. That's 20 seconds. No good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. There's a foul. Reynasha, second personal foul, penalty situation. Good for 1 point. 7 seconds. Oh, Pita first last row. We know good.
Down mo, down. Down mo, down. Bola.
And on top of the winner, basketball official score 54-64. Champion! Basketballers ang first runner-up ay ang 1826 Apa. Both teams, congrats!
Okay. Last shot, last shot.